Lano sari kaham tai khulum ka joto no ang sakbai thang bi motum deroma tai ani gana wa chukja dara ju tongo jeng Nagaland students je tawo goti bawo sokphaya khu tefano jeng je bubagra jeno assurance hoka tai jino health ni bagai je nangmani bo khlai ma bagai simono hambai maya faro. We would like to thank our bubagra for giving us the assurance for the assistance and also for making many arrangements possible. Without his help, we would not able to make this progress of going back to Tripura. So we, the students of Nagaland, and those who are still standing here, there are around 19 students. Probably most of them are students. Chini tau Nagaland nobo khorok chichuku tonghu ba 19 borok je tau bo sokpayaku ba jeng je bubagrani assurance tai bini je arrangement by kabuma contact rok sing je mang jeng je saimangka jeng 19 no sokpainai amagai sing bono hambai maru je bosuno bot kabuma contact tai financial help bima bagai tai jeng je bono saharnai je sing contact lai hornai chini boram ganang thagu ronjit jeng bono ba hambai maru jingno bubagrani ojaga bini okokno rohorma bagai tai jeng kabangma borok botongo je jingno contact rok klai hoka tai kabangma assurance rok rikha amagi singno hambai hambai.
And at the last, I would like to say that we are very fortunate that we have Bubagra in this kind of situation. Thank you.